Hey, this is Sleeper. Welcome back to my channel. We are finishing up the file inclusion module with the skills assessment, and here we go. I'll go ahead and reset the target just to make sure we have a fresh one. Copy that and just pull that up in the browser first. Alright, and just clicking around, we see we have a parameter. We're going to see if it's available with LFI. And down below, invalid input detected. We can try the basic bypasses with extra or double. And it should say the same thing, invalid input detected. So going through our next available routes, we can try PHP wrappers. So this is our shell and trying a command. That doesn't work. We can try posting the shell. That doesn't work. We can try with the expect wrapper as well, and that doesn't work. So moving on, what does work for this is, where is it? Filter. It is our LFI bypass to read PHP with the base64 filter. So we'll go ahead and copy this here. And paste that in. So PHP filter will read, we won't do this in our browser, we'll do this in the command line. So we'll do curl, paste, and we'll do index. Okay. Zoom out here. So we'll grab this, copy this, we'll do echo in a quote, paste that in, end quote, pipe base 64 dash, I can't see here, dash D. That decodes it. So the first thing I see here is it's filtering out the double dots. We tried the alternative, but that doesn't work. So just scrolling through, if we notice anything out of the ordinary, like this, admin. So echo ilf underscore admin slash index.php. So we found actually a new directory that we can see if it's vulnerable to LFI. So we've got this here in an admin panel, service log, system log, clicking around. We can see if it works here with some dots, etc password, and it does work. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets, and we are able to read etc password. So if we're able to read, we want to see if we're able to then write, and kind of like the exercises before, we want to poison the log. So we'll go ahead and start up Burp Suite. And the couple of hints here are as follows. In terms of the log poisoning, we first need to look at, where is it? Server log poisoning. So with the logs, we're not sure if it's Apache or if it's Nginx. So to find that out, we can simply run an nmap scan and find that out. So we can just go nmap. If my IP is up here, I'll just grab it. So nmap, back to our skills assessment real quick. Grab the IP, paste that in, and specify that port. -A for more detail. Okay, and so here we find that it is running on Nginx as opposed to the example that we had before that was Apache. So jumping back, in that particular section, it's talking about the var log Apache 2 and the var log Nginx. So we can check if we're also able to read the access log via this directory. And then also intercept that in Burp Suite. So we'll start that up, and we'll see if we can load this here. So var, just turn this off for now, log nginx / access log, and we are able to. So now let's go ahead and intercept that. Turn on our burp, turn on our intercept and Foxy proxy. Then we'll just refresh the page and send this to repeater. Okay, and this is key here. Just like the example, we have intercepted it, we sent it to repeater, and in this example, it sent a sample to see if it would load within the access log. In the next portion, they post or paste the shell to then get that loaded in here. In the result, it doesn't show. There are some glitches, I suppose. What's important is this, the single quote here, and let me jump back to the cheat sheet. So first, it's that single quote. As opposed to the cheat sheet, it does have double quotes here. And it's important not to send that first test. It's good to just send this through on the first go. So I'll go ahead and hit send on this. Okay, and then we'll check our results. At the bottom, it should not show anything there. Okay, so it doesn't show anything there. Let's just clear this out and see on the next request. Okay, so it has the dash instead of our user agent, and now, just like the example from the lecture, we just want to add the and command. Equals, so we'll do command list first, and see that now we're listing in whatever directory we're in. So let's list in the root directory. We can just search root because we know that's there, and there we see our flag. We can copy that and / paste. So cat plus backslash our flag and send. And there we go. Our string to copy and paste on over. So that took a minute for me to figure out. Hopefully that's been helpful for you. That has been the file inclusion module from the Bug Bounty Job Hunter role path, the last free tier 0 module of the path. From here, I'll only be able to provide audio recordings of the lectures from the other modules and not necessarily a walkthrough. So I hope you enjoyed this playlist. Go ahead and check out the audio lecture playlist to be able to listen to the rest of the Bug Bounty Job Role path. Once again, my name is Sleeper, and that's a wrap. Until next time.